The Hoover HF522 PET's Energy Vacuum combines a compact design, pet-friendly features, and an extra-long battery life for the ultimate cleaning performance. It's our lightest ever stick cordless vacuum at just 1.7 kilograms in handheld mode, so it's an ideal choice when cleaning tricky areas in your home or car interior. HF522 has dust pickup performance equal to a corded vacuum, thanks to its brushless motor and turbo boost mode, so it will leave your carpets and hard floors looking and feeling exceptionally clean. It'll help clear up after your furry friends too, with its motorized Mini Pets turbo brush. And you'll be able to boost your vacuum's runtime, as this model comes with 2 battery packs, giving you up to 80 minutes of cordless cleaning power. It's super compact too. At just 69 centimeters tall in storage mode, it'll easily fit in a kitchen cupboard. So, with its small but mighty design and exceptionally powerful performance, the Hoover HF522 will be able to tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs.